Welcome to HomePan Pro. Have you ever wondered why you wake up with a stiff back even after sleeping for 8 hours, or why every little toss and turn from your partner feels like a magnitude 5 earthquake on your side of the bed? Today we are taking a deep dive into the premium 12-inch queen-size mattress, a high-end sleep solution featuring a black diamond-quilted design, individual pocket springs, and a memory foam top. We are going to break down everything from the unboxing experience to the ergonomics, the pros and cons, and whether this medium-firm mattress is actually worthy of taking up space in your bedroom. Let us jump right in. When you first look at this mattress, the visual presentation immediately stands out. We are dealing with an elegant black diamond-quilted surface that departs entirely from the boring, plain white fabrics dominating the budget mattress market. Along the sides, you get sophisticated geometric patterns that create a truly luxurious and modern aesthetic. It is safe to say this enhances any bedroom decor, making the bed look like a high-end hotel centerpiece rather than a generic foam block. Now, let us talk about the setup process because nobody wants to spend 3 hours wrestling with a heavy mattress. This is shipped in a compact box, and the easy setup feature means you simply unroll it on your bed frame and let it expand. Within a few hours, the 12-inch profile plumps up nicely to its full size, and while there might be a faint new product smell initially, it dissipates quickly with a little ventilation. Moving on to the core engineering, this mattress uses a hybrid construction combining individual pocket springs with a memory foam top layer. This combination is designed to give you the best of both worlds. The memory foam top layer contours to your body shape, delivering exceptional comfort and targeted pressure relief for your shoulders, hips, and lower back. Beneath that foam layer sits the individual pocket spring system. Because each spring operates independently inside its own fabric pocket, the mattress responds precisely to the weight applied to it. This brings us to one of the most critical testing metrics for couples, which is motion isolation. If you sleep with a partner who tosses, turns, or gets up multiple times a night, motion transfer can ruin your sleep cycle. Thanks to the advanced pocket spring technology in this model, motion transfer is kept to an absolute minimum. When one person moves or gets out of bed, the surrounding springs absorb the energy instead of rippling across the entire surface. You can finally sleep peacefully without feeling every single movement your partner makes. Let us discuss ergonomic support and firmness. This is classified as a high-end medium-firm mattress, which is widely considered the sweet spot for the majority of sleepers. Whether you sleep on your back, your side, or even your stomach, you need proper spinal alignment. The structured edges and balanced firmness of this 12-inch queen mattress provide excellent body alignment and weight distribution. It prevents you from sinking in too deeply, which can cause lower back pain, while still offering enough surface softness to cushion your pressure points. Every product has its strengths and weaknesses, so let us break down the pros and cons starting with the pros. First, the aesthetic design with the black diamond quilting looks genuinely premium and modern. Second, the hybrid combination of memory foam and pocket springs offers superb pressure relief and comfort. Third, motion isolation is top-notch, making it an ideal choice for couples. Fourth, the medium-firm construction successfully accommodates multiple sleeping positions. Fifth, the easy setup process gets you sleeping comfortably with minimal effort. On the flip side, let us look at the cons. First, because it is a 12-inch thick hybrid mattress containing steel springs and dense foam, it is quite heavy, so you will definitely want a second person to help you maneuver it during setup. Second, if you prefer an ultra plush, sink into a cloud feeling, the medium-firm profile might feel a bit too supportive for your taste. Third, heavy-side sleepers might find they need a slightly softer surface for maximum shoulder cushioning, though this is subjective. To conclude, the premium 12-inch queen-size mattress with black diamond quilt and pocket springs punches well above its weight class. It delivers on the promise of luxurious support, excellent motion isolation, and a striking visual design that elevates your bedroom aesthetic. If you are tired of restless nights, partner disturbances, and unsupportive bedding, this hybrid mattress is definitely worth considering for your home. Link in the description.